How you doing, guys? This is Marky J again. Now here with another little quick video. So what we're doing right now, what I'm gonna show you, the quick way, it's to upgrade your MacBook Pro Retina. Mate 14 should work for different models, 13 to 17. With the solid state drives. I'm gonna upgrade mine to 2 terabytes. I'm gonna see if that works, and I'll explain to you step by step what you gotta do. All right, so first of all, what you need: a MacBook. Then you're gonna get a pen drive, at least 8 gigabytes. Your set of tools, of course, your brand new memory. This is a P2, so 2 terabytes. Let's see how it handles it. You need a backup storage. I'm using this Easy Store, nice, reliable, cheap, from Best Buy. I'm not sponsored, so I'm just saying it's a decent memory. And an adapter that will convert this memory to what the MacBook takes. You can find that on Amazon, eBay. It's pretty simple. From NV to Mac, whatever. I have it already installed, so I'm just gonna explain it real quick. I'm not gonna open the computer. Say it again. I'm not gonna open the computer. I'm just gonna tell you what to do in order to get this to work quick, because it takes some patience, and it takes a couple of steps that you gotta follow. First step, with your external, make a time machine. Save all your files and have that saved. With this pen drive, the first thing we're gonna do is download iOS Mojave. And these computers come with High Sierra, and that's not compatible. So listen to this. These memories, anytime you switch the memory, it will not work with High Sierra. It will not see it. It doesn't matter if you format it, if you clone it, it will not see it. Well, if anybody knows how to clone it and it works on the computer perfectly, put a comment. Otherwise, it will not see it. The computer will just be empty. Then, of course, your tools, you take it apart. That adapter, you need that adapter to work along with this. I'm gonna try to put a picture. So first thing, after you got your time machine done, your backup, what you want to do is get your installer here. There's a lot of videos online on how to get the installer. So download Mojave and install it in your pen drive. If you have any information on the pen drive, it will be erased. So you need a new one, or one that you're not gonna use, or you don't have any important information. So once you put your new hard drive with the adapter inside the Mac, you're gonna press Option, Command, R, and P at the same time. That's fast. It didn't even take 5 seconds. So I'm gonna put my password. Yeah, I got another computer, no problem. So the main thing for this video was to make sure, say it's a 2.2 i7 mid 2014 Retina 15-inch. storage, 2 terabytes, solid state. All right. All right, let me show you. So you're gonna go here to your search thingy. Okay, so it's a fresh start. And you're gonna look for disk utility. I mean, if you're trying to change your hard drive, I'm pretty sure you're familiar with disk utility, with time machine, with what I'm saying. It should be a lot easier. So see, 2 terabytes, blah blah. So this is what you need. This is the info you're gonna have to see. APFS volume, enable, connection. See, if you don't do it the way I'm telling you, downloading Mojave and then putting the adapter and then right away pressing the 4 buttons and then option, this will not happen. Then you go back to system information, you click overview, you click system report, and then you'll see right here NVMe is Express, and then you're gonna go down. Where is it? Partition. See, this is what the info you need to see. Here is the disk, here's the format, but most important is you gotta see this information. Where is it? Trim support. Yes, that's what you gotta see. So if you can read trim support, yes, this thing is working like it should. Of course, when you're setting your computer as a new computer, you put your backup and it'll ask you, it'll say, what do you want to do? Install a new iOS, import from a computer or the time machine, another say Windows. Of course, you're gonna go with your time machine. And that's pretty much it. That's how I got it to work. So I have a mid 14 Retina MacBook Pro with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 2 terabytes of memory. I'm gonna put on my music and see how it behaves. I don't want to go to the newest iOS, the what you call it, Catalina or something like that. I usually back off from getting all the latest because either my DJ equipment won't work or there's glitches and stuff. I like to stay solid. My older MacBook Pro, I have it with what is it called, Yosemite. So for what I know, it shouldn't be a problem to back all my information from that computer to this computer, and the iOS will work. I mean, I'm gonna do that next. But for what I know, for what I've been told, it shouldn't be any problems with the operating system. So yeah. Memory, computer, adapter, storage, your backup storage, pen drive, or memory stick, and you should be all good to go. So there you have it, guys. It's a sunny day. I'm gonna enjoy it a little bit while my computer is working. So I'm just trying to share information. If you like it, give a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll just put info to help out fellow friends. Have a good one.